These are the treatments scientists have been chasing for decades. If phase 3 trials are successful, prasinezumab could become the first approved medication proven to slow the progression of Parkinson's itself, not just treat the symptoms. That would be a major breakthrough. So what should you do right now? First, prasinezumab isn't available at pharmacies yet. It's still under investigation, but its advancement into final stage trials shows real momentum. Second, if you or someone you love has early-stage Parkinson's, especially if levodopa is already part of treatment, this is worth discussing with your healthcare provider. Clinical trial access may expand soon. And third, remain hopeful. This therapy is part of a growing wave of research focused on slowing Parkinson's within our lifetime. If you found this breakdown helpful, consider subscribing to our channel. We translate complex medical research into clear, practical information for seniors and families. And if someone you care about is facing Parkinson's, sharing this video could truly make a difference. The outcome: those who received prasinezumab experienced a slower decline in motor function. They maintained better movement, balance, and daily activity compared to those who didn't receive the drug. Even more impressive, the benefits didn't fade quickly. The positive effects lasted throughout nearly 2 years of follow-up and may extend even further. Participants who continued the drug in an extended study showed continued stability and improvement over time. For older adults already taking levodopa, which includes many patients, the drug appeared to offer added protection. It didn't replace existing treatments, it enhanced them. Safety is always a top concern, especially for seniors. And this is another area where prasinezumab stands out. Across studies involving more than 900 participants, some of whom have been on the drug for up to 5 years, serious side effects were rare. The medication was generally well tolerated, with no major safety red flags identified. That level of safety is not common in experimental neurological treatments. Now imagine this scenario. You've just been diagnosed with Parkinson's. You're still independent. You're walking, spending time with family, enjoying your routines. Instead of waiting for gradual decline, your doctor introduces a treatment that may slow the disease itself, on top of your current medications. That's the promise prasinezumab represents, an added layer of defense against progression. While it's not yet approved, the drug has advanced into phase 3 clinical trials, the final step before potential global approval. That signals strong confidence from researchers and pharmaceutical leaders. Most current Parkinson's drugs, like levodopa and dopamine agonists, help manage symptoms, but they don't change the underlying disease. Prasinezumab is different. It targets the biological process driving Parkinson's, placing it in a new category known as disease-modifying therapies. A major Parkinson's update just dropped. Yes, for the first time, researchers believe they may have found a way to actually slow, or possibly stop, the progression of Parkinson's disease. Not just mask the symptoms, but directly target what's happening inside the brain. This new therapy is called prasinezumab, and it has the potential to reshape how we think about Parkinson's treatment altogether. If you or someone close to you is living with Parkinson's, this is something you'll want to understand. Let me explain what this could mean moving forward. Parkinson's disease is a progressive neurological condition affecting more than 10 million people worldwide. And until now, once the disease begins, there has been no cure. Only medications that temporarily manage symptoms while the condition continues to advance in the background. But that may be starting to change. Enter prasinezumab, an investigational drug designed to do something no current Parkinson's medication does. Instead of simply easing symptoms, it aims to slow the disease process itself. Here's how it works. Parkinson's has long been linked to a protein called alpha-synuclein. In people with Parkinson's, this protein misfolds and forms clumps inside the brain. These clumps disrupt communication between brain cells and may ultimately lead to cell death. Prasinezumab is engineered to recognize and bind to these toxic protein clusters, helping the body clear them out before they cause further harm. Think of it as a targeted cleanup system, removing the debris that accelerates the disease. And the latest clinical results are encouraging. In a large study involving more than 580 individuals with early-stage Parkinson's, participants were followed for about 18 months. One group received standard Parkinson's medications like levodopa. The other group received the same medications plus prasinezumab.